quick look. There's the judges walking along there, I suppose. They look as if they've stopped carving now.
No, it says it finishes at 3:30.
Right.
Probably stopped to have their lunch.
That's why you've got some of the overseas guys.
Oh, I see. So
just get the two in one.
doing the two, right? Yeah. There's a good number of entries.
There's plenty going to be happening in the afternoon, of course. At the very, very end, there's a quick carve competition where all the carvers will have 30 minutes to do a quick carve. And the main carvings and the quick carvings will all be up for auction at the end of the afternoon. We have a professional auctioneer coming in to do the auction, and each piece in turn will be put up for auction, and that's quite an event to be part of. So don't be afraid to raise your hand and bid lots of money. The Spey Valley Hire offer free delivery. All you can do is walk running along the barrier, and towards the end of the afternoon, decide which of the cars you prefer, and simply put this into that bucket.
I'm fine, how are you?
So it's totally and faithfully the people's choice. And the one whose bucket is the most tokens will win that coveted people's choice. Live music from the field there, and lots of other stands and craft stores. So hopefully everybody will have a good afternoon, and we'll talk to you very much.
We're just packing up, Dennis, for now.
What?
Demonstration there, very relaxing. Scottish School of Forestry is here, rides of 22 different across the road. So you can buy your KB tickets here at the gate, as well as your raffle tickets. Get it? Go across to the gate and you can get what you need on the gate. Very busy, we've got 26 carvers entering this year. We've got no marks.
I'm down the wider now. What's Renge? Renge? Is this African? Oh, right.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, right. It's dark, isn't it? It is. It's actually very nice that one under, you know, a lamp shining down on it, and it picks up two different